That is, we already had Mr. Sayankal Ghoshal with us. I think you people know that Imperial College is now the epicenter of British Council. You people know that, right? We are already, today is the official inauguration of the event. Please have a huge round of applause for this achievement. Hello, Ghoshal sir, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Am I audible?
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Am I audible? Hello.
So you are on mute.
Hello. No, I'm not on mute. Hello.
Yes, sir, you are
Hello.
audible.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome,
Hope I'm
sir.
audible.
Yes, sir, you are completely audible, sir.
Okay. Respected directors, sir, teachers of Imperial College, respected guests and students of Imperial College, it gives me immense pleasure to speak at the 10th of Elixir. And in times of pandemic, wherein negativity is flowing throughout the world, I believe today I am the carrier of a good news. And I am happy to inform that Imperial College has tied up with British Council for British Council Aptis Testing Center. And before going forward, let me introduce my organization, British Council, to you. British Council is United Kingdom's organization for education and cultural exchange. Education programs all around the world, which includes our library and information services, which is the largest network of libraries around the world. And in 2017, we have actually taken library digital. And in India itself, we have around 1 million members. We also have English language teaching center located in Kolkata, Delhi, Hyderabad, and Mumbai. As well as we have the Education UK program, wherein we facilitate exchange of education between the United Kingdom and India through faculty exchange programs, as well as student exchange programs, as well as we manage around 120 scholarships through various. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sorry for that. I think there was some disturbance connection. So as I
No.
was saying, British Council also facilitates 100 scholarships for students manage various foundations. And an important part of India is the under which we have which is an examination for visa and immigration, as well as our business certification program from Cambridge University with Aptis. So in this event, the theme is reimagining higher education. And you know what the new education program actually wants to portray is, you know, moving from education to skill. Rather, we have to look at education as a means of developing a skill which is useful for a particular job or entrepreneurship, etc. So, in line with that theme, if you imagine language or the English language as a skill, then in a language, there could be 4 skills. You could either speak in that language, you can write in that language, you can listen to and comprehend the language, as well as you can read and comprehend the language. And the building block of these skills in a language is your grammar and vocabulary. And that is exactly what Aptis test encompasses. Where Aptis would be getting to know scores in each of these skills based on the Common European Framework. Common European Framework is a common framework that is put forward by Council of Europe because English being a very popular language and it has over 10 million speakers around the world, and it is spoken differently in different parts of the world, wherein there is a lot of influence on the culture as well as the native language of the place where English is spoken. So therefore, there was a need of a common platform to judge the level of proficiency in the English language of a particular person from any part of the world. Therefore, the Council of Europe was formed and they have categorized the proficiency level of English into 3 broad categories: a basic user, an independent user, and an expert user. So by Aptis, a person would come to know whether they are an independent user or they are a basic user or they are an expert user. Plus, Aptis also gives you a certification of your level of your proficiency, which can be shown to corporates when you are applying to jobs. And Aptis is really popular in India, wherein it is used by state governments of Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand, Sikkim, Bihar, to ascertain the level of English proficiency of their civil servants, as well as putting them on training program based on their proficiency level. It is also being used by corporates, by major IT and ITS companies like Capgemini Technology Services, Deloitte, and Schneider Electric. Then there is Cognizant. There are also banks like Standard Chartered Bank and Kotak Mahindra Bank. This is just to name a few. So if you have Aptis certificate, that would definitely take you forward in terms of your application to jobs, as well as it can help you for application to study or apply to universities that are in UK, US, Canada, and Australia. So we will, on a later day, we can also have a presentation only on Aptis. And because I have to join another meeting in the next 5 minutes, I would like to conclude my speech here. And once again, I would congratulate Mr. Deepak Goel, the director of Imperial College, for partnering with British Council. And, we have been, Mr. Goel and I have been in touch for over a year to, make this happen. And, we have discussed in length about the modalities, how this partnership is going to go through. And I am very happy that, this has finally materialized. And today we are being able to officially inaugurate Imperial College as the British Council Aptis Testing Center. Thank you and congratulations to Deepak Goel sir and Imperial College.
And to partner with British Council and considering Imperial to be a part of it. I request you to formally inaugurate this Aptis Testing Center in virtual mode. We wanted to be here physically. Kindly inaugurate the center in physical mode, like virtual mode. You can do it the screen sharing, sir. That kind.
Am I audible, sir?
Please inaugurate. Please inaugurate the center, sir.
Yes, I formally declare Imperial College as British Council Aptis Testing Center.
Thank you so much, Gosal sir. And we would love to have you once this COVID pandemic situations are over, and we'll invite you physically. Thank you so much once again. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.